Managing finances as a freelancer can be challenging, especially when it comes to separating personal and business expenses, tracking invoices, and ensuring smooth transactions. Qonto offers one of the best solutions for freelancers looking for a professional, reliable, and easy-to-use business banking platform. Qonto is designed specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs, providing features that make money management simple and efficient. With Qonto, freelancers can open a fully digital account in minutes without visiting a bank branch. The onboarding process is straightforward, requiring minimal documentation. Once your account is active, you gain access to a business debit card, which allows you to make payments, withdraw cash, and manage subscriptions seamlessly. Every transaction is categorized automatically, making expense tracking transparent and effortless. In addition, Qonto integrates directly with popular accounting software, eliminating the need for manual bookkeeping. This means freelancers can spend less time reconciling accounts and more time focusing on their projects. The platform also offers the ability to create and send professional invoices, with payments received directly into the Qonto account, which reduces delays in cash flow and improves financial organization. Qonto provides advanced control over team spending, even for solo freelancers. Users can set spending limits on cards, authorize or block transactions, and monitor all activity in real time through the mobile app or desktop interface. This gives freelancers a complete overview of their finances at any moment. Pricing is transparent, starting at a few dollars per month, making it accessible for freelancers without compromising essential features. Qonto also ensures full security and compliance, giving freelancers confidence that their money and data are protected. Overall, Qonto is a professional, user-friendly, and cost-effective solution tailored for freelancers who want to simplify financial management, save time, and keep their business organized. It combines banking, invoicing, and expense management in a single platform, helping freelancers stay efficient, focused, and in control of their finances.